They always said, once a cheater, always a cheater, and a repeater on the same mistakes. And a man who cheats will cheat again and again. And cheating and lying are not a mistake. They are intentional choices and the reasons why a relationship ends. And a cheating is the most disgusting, hurtful, and disrespectful thing you could do to someone who truly loves you. And a cheater believe with their own lies. So never argue with a cheater dahil hindi ka mananalo. And if you succeed in cheating someone, don't think that the person is a fool. Yung taong yan, pinagkatiwalaan ka niya ng totoo more than you deserve. Cheating is a personal decision. Yung mga ibang tao, hindi mag-cheat kahit gaano kabigat ang sitwasyon. Pero ang mga cheaters, magloloko because they want to. Their choice. And cheating give you temporary victories. Kasi nga, nakapanloko ka ng tao. At yung taong niloloko mo, yung taong nagmahal sa'yo. At ang tiwala, pag nasira, mahirap mo nang maibalik. Kahit anong ayos mo, may lamat na. And cheating is a shortcut that leads you to a dead end and a closed chapter. And to all cheaters, before you cheat, tanungin mo muna yung sarili mo. Deserve ba ng partner mo ang panloloko mo? At sa mga taong niloko, huwag kang magmakaawa para mag-stay sila. You have to choose yourself and love yourself. And being in a long-term relationship does not guarantee a happy ending. Just surround yourself with the right people and time will come. Maghihil yung puso mong sugatan. At pag dumating yung panahon na yon, may darating na taong nakalaan sa'yo na mamahalin ka ng totoo at hindi ka lolokohin kasi yun ang deserve mo. At sa mga taong manloloko, cheating is a choice. Period.